don't know what the fuck is going on with homegirl back here. But when y'all ladies be saying that you could never cook for your man, if a man asks you for something to eat, you would never, you're not a wife yet. I be keeping my mouth shut. Because what? You willing to live with somebody. You willing to split bills. You willing to have babies with a nigga. But you draw the line at sandwich. Like, I get that y'all be trying to force him to make you a wife. But baby, I think if you already did all that and he still ain't wifed you, you might well just go ahead and put your apron on, bitch. Like, just go ahead and make this sandwich, because how dare you? How dare you start having some standards after you done busted pussy yo, but then I'm telling him bring it back like 3 or 4 times for him. You got his kids, you got everything, you got everything. Y'all sharing everything. But now all of a sudden I'm not doing wife shit without being a wife. Like, y'all make sense to me. Am I tripping? Like, are y'all really drawing the line and making a sandwich? Like, I get it. Like, if a nigga asks me at 3 o'clock in the morning to make me something to eat, I'm gonna be like, bitch, is you dumb? But again, the niggas I fuck with would never do no shit like that. They would never wake me up out of my sleep and ask me to make them a fucking sandwich. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. I think y'all be going too much. I think y'all be doing too much for too little. Then y'all be doing too little for the shit you should be doing the most for. That's just my opinion though. I keep my mouth shut on some shit. If I had a man that been manning, a man that make my life easier, baby, what do you want? Do you want me or what's in this kitchen?